The Field Controls CAS-3 and CAS-4 fan-in-a-can combustion air systems are as simple as they sound. They're powerful fans in small metal cans. Their function is simple as well. These small cans pack a punch, providing combustion, dilution, and heating appliance ventilation air when appliances are located in confined spaces. Both units deliver combustion air, dispersing air when and where it's needed to provide sufficient air for combustion and ensuring adequate airflow for safe and efficient appliance operation. Though both serve the same purpose, they're designed for specific appliance control applications. Specifically, the CAS-3 is designed for use with oil-burning equipment, such as furnaces, boilers, and water heaters, with a 120-volt safety control circuit. For even more versatility, the CAS-3 can be used with more than one appliance and be used with a control kit to interface with multiple appliances. The CAS-4 can be used with any natural gas or LP burning furnace, water heater, or boiler with a 24-volt control system. Both CAS models utilize an internal differential pressure switch. The unique design recognizes a lack of airflow due to blockage. The pressure switch prevents the equipment from firing if there is insufficient combustion air available. To learn more about the Field Controls and the fan-in-a-can combustion air systems, head over to fieldcontrols.com.